My name is Dan Galini. I am the manufacturing manager here at Canadian Metal Buildings. Here at Canadian Metal Buildings, we manufacture pre-engineered buildings all across Canada and getting into the United States.
So I'm Lucas Braziz. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Canadian Metal Buildings. We've been in business for over 60 years. Throughout the years, one of the main challenges that we faced was a lot of manual labor within our manufacturing processes that required a lot of hand operation in terms of welding, fitting, that sort of thing. We wanted to shift to more of an automated process. We analyzed the return on investment with the AGT machine. It was a no-brainer.
To streamline our operation, high expectations, AGT Robotic Welder came into play, just mainstreaming our structural steel from point A to point D and having all the operation filter through one robotic welding machine. So the AGT fits in our workflow basically at the last step of the process.
Quality has risen substantially. Throughput has increased substantially. The morale of the guys, because we just didn't get rid of our employees. They got elevated into machine operators, and they're a lot happier and more fulfilled working with a machine like AGT and not having to do a lot of things that they were asked to do in terms of manual welding and fitting.
We've felt many impacts. The one impact we felt for sure was the bottleneck between our structural steel fitters and our welders. With the lack of space we have here, we have to maximize every square inch we possibly have. So having the AGT robotic welder here represented us from getting from our fitters right to our welders and getting right to the AGT. For the employee point of view, I think what it shows is the commitment from the company itself to keep reinvesting into the business itself. So I get great communication and great feedback from the operators. They speak very highly of the machine itself, the programming system. Everything's very easy to use.
The customer support has been awesome, right from the initial sales to tech support, project management, to get the machine fully operational. And we continue to get comments back from the machine operators. Anybody that touched base from AGT has been positive.
The installation process was fantastic. The two gentlemen that were here were absolutely amazing. We collaborated with each other, and it was a great experience for all of us.